Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from Group 5. We'll make avocado juice. First, introduction. My name is Anna. Before getting started,
Ingredients and tools: 1 rib avocado, 2 sachets sweetened condensed milk, sugar, water, blender, knife, spoons, and glass. Cut the avocado in half vertically and pit it. Cook out all of the flesh with a spoon, then put the avocado's flesh in a blender. Put no sugar. Then add a sachet of sweetened condensed milk and water. Once you have put all the ingredients in the blender, blend it until everything is combined thoroughly and smooth. Pour the creamy avocado juice into a glass. Add topping according to taste.